guys, I'm Rebecca and it's lunchtime, so I thought that I would share with you guys what I am eating today. Today's meal is from a company called IONUTRITION, and I have a week's worth of their paleo meals. This is a meal prep thing, and you can get their original plan. They have the protein plus plans, the paleo diet plans, and then the vegetarian plans. So depending on what you are looking for, you have lots of options. The meals range from like $10 for the vegetarian ones up to, you know, like $13, $14 usually. So these are all paleo. The one that I am eating today is winter maple carrots with chicken breast. These do come fresh, never frozen, and they're all organic, gluten-free. All of their stuff is gluten-free, which is interesting. I am attempting to peel off the rest of my plastic here. I did microwave this. I got these and at a time when I knew I wasn't going to be able to eat them, so I put them in the freezer. You're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to keep them in the refrigerator, but I did. So in case I don't like this, that could be why. That was my bad though, because they are supposed to be fresh. Oh my gosh, this plastic is really hard to get off. Hang on. It smells really good. I am excited about this. So the meals that I have are walnut balsamic yams with salmon, Moroccan cranberry glazed veggies with steak, rosemary apple potatoes with rockfish, spinach mushroom scramble, and olive spinach frittata. I'm excited. These look good. They're like super vacuum sealed in here. So when you cook them, you just like lift off the corner a little bit, microwave them for a couple of minutes, and then there you go. So they're nice and fresh for you, unless like me, you froze them like an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna give this a go. That was yummy. It's good. It's really good. This is yummy. This tastes like a real meal. You know, I mean, not just like a frozen food kind of a thing. It's really good. I like the vegetables in here too. Lots of like zucchini and broccoli and carrots, some sort of squash. So you can get these to eat like all day, because they have, you know, breakfast meals and stuff. Like I've got a scramble in there. So if you wanted to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you certainly could. Usually I only eat these kind of things for lunch. For breakfast I have a smoothie or something, and then dinner I make food for the whole family. I'm actually really impressed with this. It's really good. I can't wait to try the other ones. I love that there's a ton of different types of veggies in here. This is making me really happy, and it feels like a really healthy meal. I'm happy right now, and I don't have to do any dishes other than like wash my fork. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. I think I probably have a referral link, maybe some sort of a discount code or something for you. So definitely make sure you check that out if you're interested. I love this kind of thing. These make my life so much easier, and I feel healthy and happy. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.